Hi, it's me Naina again. English for Beginners, Day 2, Hobbies and Interests. Usually, I'm interested in doing several hobbies in my spare time, like watching Netflix, reading books, and writing, and also taking video calls with my friends and learning English. By the way, I have other hobbies like traveling, sewing, growing plants, and so on. But these days I'm quite busy with learning English. It takes almost all of my free time to learn English because I do all the activities like reading, writing, speaking, and listening to help myself to learn English. So it helps me to improve further, and it helps me to reach my fluency goal, and at the same time I'm having so much fun. So that's why I love doing these activities. Traveling is one of my favorites. So I visit places almost monthly, at least somewhere close to my home. So traveling is something I really enjoy doing. Recently I visited a coastal place. My latest tour was to a coastal place called Marble Beach, which is a breathtaking beach in Sri Lanka, and it was a fantastic and unforgettable experience. So that's all about my hobbies. Thanks for listening. Bye.